Pavlov, the dog guy, paid for his laboratory by bottling stomach fluid and selling it across Europe as medicine. This is not a metaphor. Pavlov ran what his own lab called a gastric juice factory. He collected fluid from the dogs, bottled it, and sold it as a treatment for indigestion. By 1904, the year he won the Nobel Prize, they were shipping more than 3,000 containers a year. Russia, France, Germany. It more than doubled his laboratory budget. The most famous physiologist alive was funding his science by selling stomach fluid to the public. Now, hold that thought for 75 years. In 1975, a medical student in Zagreb sat in a lecture on stress and decided the stomach had to be producing its own protection. His name is Predrag Sikriv. His team started collecting human gastric juice from emergency rooms and slaughterhouses where it was medical waste, arrived in bottles and plastic bags, so some of it came by bus. They were looking for one molecule inside it. They named it what they found, Bpc-157, 15 amino acids. Two labs, 90 years apart, both convinced the stomach is hiding something protective. So where did this end up? So more than 100 published studies, bone, muscle, tendon, gut. If you've heard of this compound, that is the number you've heard. But here's the detail nobody tells you. Almost all of it is animals. Fewer than 30 human beings have taken this in a published trial. So across 3 small pilots, none of them placebo-controlled. And the deeper problem is not the trial count. No one has identified the receptor it acts on. The sequence does not appear in the human genome. 50 years in, we cannot fully confirm the thing Sikriv went looking for is actually there. Pavlov sold a product that worked well enough that people kept buying it. That's not the same as knowing why. A century later, on the same organ, we're still in the exact same position. If you've run into this and could not tell whether it was a breakthrough or a story, that's not you failing to do the reading. The reading does not exist. An FDI advisory committee is reviewing this compound this week. Whichever way that goes, the receptor is still missing. My name is Ricardo Barreto, and I break down what actually happens inside the body as we age. If you want to go into a deeper conversation with the most powerful AI tool in regenerative medicine, comment REGEN, and I will send you the link.